With just a simple Google search, you can earn thousands of dollars with this website I have for you today. You can do this from anywhere in the world, and you can enter for free. After seeing this video, you'll know exactly what to search for in Google to quickly and easily get $1,100 every day. So keep your eyes peeled because I'll give you the step-by-step process so as not to miss out on this wonderful opportunity. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. The website we'll use to make money today is called MindSumo. Just go over to your preferred browser and type in MindSumo.com. So this is the amount you may expect to earn from completing each offer. The offers can range from a few $100s up to tens of thousands of dollars. Now, on the website's main page, you can see the many well-known businesses that rely on this platform. Pepsi, Avon, Microsoft, IBM, Coca-Cola, Spotify, Amazon, Adidas, Facebook, and many others are just a few examples. This website operates so that the finest ideas and search results from each challenge are pulled and distributed at the end of the set period. Then, how does one go about doing this? Like this one, for example. How can a canned alcoholic beverage best convey flavor expectations? All you need to do is search on Google and suggest something beneficial to them. If you take a look at this other offer here, you'll see that they paid $1,600 for all of these individuals right here. I will walk you through the process so you know exactly what to do. The first step is to sign up for an account. So why don't we do that together? To join, just go to the top right and select Log In or Sign Up. Enter your email address and password to continue, or use your existing account with Facebook or Twitter. To create an account, simply select I don't have an account yet. They will bring you here to this page. All they need is your first and last name, postal code, email address, date of birth, gender, and a brief description of your artistic, promotional, and technical skills. There are a few more boxes you'll need to check below, but by no means do you have to agree to everything presented. Only the final 3 should be clicked on. Please complete the following fields and then click the I am not a robot and sign up button. Before we move on, show us some love by clicking that subscribe button and giving us a thumbs up. We appreciate your support. Now, let's jump back in. Now, when you sign up, you'll be asked to identify yourself as either a business or a problem solver. In this case, select Problem Solver. Scroll down and you'll see a button that will take you to the available challenges. Select the option to View Current Challenges. Selecting the option to View Current Challenges takes us back to the page where we may see them again. You can see that they have a time frame similar to this one. There are 10 days left in it. You can also check which ones will be closing soon and which ones have already been finished. Simply select the challenge you'd like to work on and start typing away. Now what we need to do is discover a solution to the problem presented by your project of choice. Let's go with this test instead. Our next step is to conduct a Google search related to our area of interest to see what comes up. Let's type in how can we improve the workplace experience for customer service representatives. You have the option of being more particular with your question, allowing you to always find the most relevant results. Select numerous articles, compile them into one Google document, and then export them as a PDF to upload to the site. Please use Google Docs to compile your answers. Because they are only interested in the findings and not the complete article, let us just copy the ones that specifically address our inquiry. You must read it to find out if it's any good. It would be helpful if you could proofread the entire file and check to see that it does not have any links associated with it. Make it appear as though it were straightforward and uncomplicated. You want to give the impression that you are very experienced in this field. And as you can see, this is indeed the case. We even have something like an outline on the left. Therefore, Google Docs is an extremely serious tool. It's simple and convenient enough that anyone can use it. However, the next step that we are going to take is to save it to your computer in PDF format. You can save your curated article as a PDF by going to the File menu, clicking Download, and finally selecting the PDF option. When you do that, a PDF version of the document will be saved to your computer. Now let's go back to MindSumo.com. Find the project we were working on and click the I have an idea button. I just want to check in and pause for a second. How do you like this video so far? Are you following along well? If you have any questions, just drop them below in the comments. We will respond to you soon. Now, let's go back to our video. Now, all you need to do is head on over to the Google Drive account you have set up for yourself. The same Google account that allows you to send and receive emails also gives you access to Google Drive. You can easily set up a Gmail account at gmail.com if you don't already have one. To get started with your new Gmail account, all you need is a username. After that, you will be ready to go. The next step is to upload the PDF you created by doing the following. To upload files to your Google Drive account, simply drag and drop. Eventually, it will upload itself. Okay then, now that it has been uploaded, all you need to do is select it. If you hold down the right mouse button and then select Share, you will be given a link to this. Select Share, then modify the text that currently reads Restricted as shown on the screen. Since the recipient won't be able to access the file when they click the link, you need to change the sharing settings to allow anyone with the link to access it, to make it viewable by anybody who follows the link. Simply copy the URL from here. Alright, let's head back to MindSumo and insert the link. However, they won't let me do that because this is a brand new account. In most cases, you will be given the option to insert the URL once you have submitted additional articles to them. I'm afraid that won't work with a brand new account. The original Google Doc may be found here, so let's return to it. Therefore, what we are going to do is simply copy the entire article from the file that you have stored in Google Docs with a simple Ctrl-A, Ctrl-C. You can copy everything on this page. After you have copied everything, you need to navigate back to MindSumo and paste it into the box that reads, Enter your solution here. After you have done so, paste the URLs of all the places you got your answers from here where it says Sources. Therefore, you need to maintain a record of all the websites that you've browsed. All you need to do is copy the links to the articles. Simply select the option to add another source if you'd like to add more than one. When you're ready, hit the submit button. And as for my situation right now, I still have 32 hours until they go through all the responses they receive. After that, I will be able to get paid whatever the value of the offer that they're paying for, just like all of these other folks that you're seeing right here on the screen, just as soon as the offer was completed. After completing your first offer and receiving your payment, you will be prompted to add your preferred methods of payment, such as a bank account or PayPal. And that's a wrap! MindSumo is a promising website to help develop your problem-solving skills. And in return, they'll pay you a good amount of money. So we think it's a win-win situation. What do you think of our video today? Let us know where you are from in the comments. And if the website we have today worked for you, that will help us improve future content. Thank you very much for supporting us. We've enjoyed making this video for you today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more of our excellent content. Good luck and see you in our next video.